Miranda has been ranked as the best college in the country. It is known for its enduring legacy and the brand value that it holds. Now you might be wondering that what makes Miranda so phenomenal and why it is India's best college. Well, in today's video, we are going to take a step closer to that answer. So hi everyone, once again welcome back to Inside DU. This is Shagun Malik and here I am today with a review on Miranda House. Guys, we will roll in various parameters and have a discussion on aspects like cutoffs, societies, fest and even placements of the college. So make sure you are glued to the video till the end. And now, without any further ado, let's start our journey of exploring Miranda House. Miranda House was established at the dawn of the independence and it provides unique opportunities to the women. Today, Miranda House proudly stands at the first spot in the NIRF ranking. Now to this, some of you might argue that SRCC is the number one college. So let's just rectify this concept of number one. Miranda House, it primarily imparts courses only for two streams, namely science and arts. And also it is an all-girls college. So if we look from the perspective of a boy or from the perspective of a student coming from a commerce background, Miranda may not be the best college for him. He might put any other college on the pedestal. So this ranking depends on what course we are talking about and what parameters we are using it for distinguishing different colleges. Having said that, Miranda House has been bestowed with A+ grade by NAC. It has a teaching staff of around 238 faculties and more than 3,000 students. Now let's see what are the various courses that this institute imparts. It offers a BA program. In BA program, you study two subjects without specializing in one. It offers a BA honors course in Bengali, economics, English, geography, Hindi, history, music, philosophy, political science, Sanskrit, and sociology. It offers a BSc honors degree in botany, chemistry, mathematics, physics, zoology, and general BSc degree in life sciences and life sciences with computer. So what is the difference between BSc honors and general BSc? So in BSc honors, you specialize a particular subject. For example, if we talk about botany honors, you will specialize in botany. But if we talk about life sciences, you will be studying all three subjects PCM together. Having discussed that, now let's jump on to the seat metrics of the college. So as per the display, we can see that the highest intake is for BA program, which is 231 seats. This is a complete portrayal of various courses and distribution of the seats. You can pause the video and check according to your course and category. Let's move ahead and discuss the cutoffs. Guys, Miranda House is known for producing sky-high cutoffs. So getting into Miranda is not a cakewalk. So if we look at the cutoffs of the last year, the highest cutoff was for BA Honors Economics, which is 97.75, followed by BA Honors English, which is 97.5. And even for special courses like BA Honors Sociology, the cutoff was 96.25. Now let's also look at the cutoffs for various science courses. So we can see that the last year cutoff for courses like BSc Honors Chemistry and BSc Honors Physics, it was 96.67. And for course like BSc Honors Mathematics, it was 96.75 for the general category. Now let's converse about the fee structure of the college. So fee structure of Miranda House is quite economical. So we can see that the fee for BSc or BSc Honors, it will fluctuate around 19,200 to 19,800 for 1 year. And also for BA or BA Honors, it is around 14,610 rupees. It may fluctuate and this is for 1 year. Now, let's discuss about the various facilities that this college provides. So, number one is the fitness center. This fitness center is operated by the sports department. It consists of various exercising machines. And the best part about this center is that both the faculties and students have the access to this center. Next, they have student activity center where students carry out various activities. There's a seminar hall as well. Plus, there's an open cafeteria and the Rhythm Arcade. This is comparatively a new term. Well, it is nothing else. It is an open space which is quite peaceful and various events like yoga, exercising and various workshops are carried out here. Plus, there's a medical center. Next, we have hostels. Guys, the hostels of Miranda House are fabulous, one of the best in fact. And if you are taking admission in Miranda House, you should definitely apply for the hostels. There's a counseling cell which is operated by well-certified professionals. And there's a library as well with a stock of around 1 lakh books. So these were some of the top-notch facilities that this college provides. Having discussed that, now let's have a glimpse at the notable alumni of the college. Miranda House is the cradle of leadership and it is well recognized for nurturing talent. It is the alma mater of a large number of women who have reached pinnacle of success in various fields. To name a few, we have Srimati Sheila Dikshit, who's the former Chief Minister of Delhi, Anita Desai, who's an Indian novelist and also a professor at MIT, and Moni Roy, who's an Indian television actress. Apart from these faces, personalities like Malika Sherawat, Swara Bhaskar, and Neeti Mohan, these guys are also a pass out of Miranda House. Now, let's jump on to the college societies. So, guys, there are around 16 societies in the college, which includes Music Society. Music Society of the college is known as Gitanjali and it is doing exceptional work. Plus, there's a Fine Arts Society, there's a Debating Society, there's a Photography Society of the college known as Snapshots, Jigyasa, the Quiz Society of the college. And guys, the most fascinating club of the college is the Adventure Club. This club has a motto of Sahas and it encourages the students to go beyond the limits by giving them a chance to carry out and conduct various activities like trekking, rafting, expeditions, and much, much more. Plus, there's a dramatic society as well. This dramatic society, it is operated in both the languages. So the Hindi Dramatic Society is known as Anukriti and English Dramatic Society is known as Ariel. Plus there's Enactus, which is a non-profit organization. There's a dance society of the college and tons. So all these societies are very active in respective fields. Having discussed that, now let's jump into the sparkling fest of Miranda House, Tempest. Well, guys, the name Tempest, it reminds us of the Shakespeare play. This fest is attended by a huge number of enthusiastic students from different colleges. In fact, it is one of the most awaited cultural events, which is inclusive of all kinds of events. So all in all, I can say about Tempest that you guys are just gonna love it because it is so exuberant. Star nights are there, various competitions are there. So it is full of excitement. And yes, you will love it. Now let's hold a discussion on the various recruiters that come to the campus. So guys, the placement cell of Miranda House is quite active and every year the placement cell of Miranda House collaborates with a variety of companies like McKinsey, D. Shaw, Oberoi Group, ICICI Bank, Deloitte, Decathlon, Oyo, PwC, OnePlus and many more companies are there. These companies visit the campus and they offer jobs in various profiles. Having said that, now finally comes the most exuberant part of the discussion, placements. So if we look at the placement scenario of the college, last year the average package of the batch was 7.33 lakh per annum and the highest package was 18 lakh per annum. So we can say that this college provides its students with humongous opportunities and a lot of companies do come to the campus. So guys, like this, we have come to the end of the discussion. And now to sum up the whole discussion, we can point out that this college has got a fabulous infrastructure. The alumni network is very strong and it is very diverse. The professors of the college are great. It has got an exuberant crowd and humongous opportunities. And all these factors are the reason why Miranda House is India's best college. So guys, all these parameters are the reason why Miranda House sparkles as the best. So yeah, this was all from my side. If you still have any doubts related to the college, you can drop them down in the comment section. I'll definitely address them. Plus, make sure you subscribe to the channel before leaving. And if you like this video, give this video a big fat thumbs up and share it with your friends. And to be plugged in with the latest news and updates, do not forget to join our Telegram channel. The link is there in description box. So yeah, this was all from my side. Once again, this is me, Shagun, signing off for the day. See ya. Bye-bye.